Hi folks, Paul Shewell here from GrandWesternSteaks.com. We're here at the 2016 Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. If you haven't been to this show before, you haven't been to a boat show. There are literally thousands of boats here. GrandWesternSteaks.com is here showing their great products for boat captains, owners. We're here to feed their captains, their crew, their guests. We can ship our products to you, to your home, to your boat. Wherever you want our great products, we can ship them right to you within 24 hours. We've served literally hundreds and hundreds of samples to our guests today. They've eaten domestic lamb sliders, they've eaten ribeye, they've eaten strip loin. A lot of interest and a lot of exposure to the GrandWesternSteaks.com program. So if you stopped by the booth today and you've sampled some of our products and you learned about our program a little bit, we really appreciate it. Otherwise, you can go online, check us out at GrandWesternSteaks.com, and don't forget to visit us on social media. Thanks very much.